A true hidden gem on the north side, S&D Artistry is your source for unique gifts and home decorations. Whether it's a personalized keepsake or a choice of their variety of ready-made gifts, S&D Artistry has the distinctive creations to brighten your day.
S&D Artistry is a gift store where you can come in and purchase something off of the shelf, or we can personalize or customize. We have slate plaques and cutting boards and several different styles of tumblers that we customize, and then we also have layered shadow boxes. It pretty much started out of COVID. I was at home a lot and I started making things, more than I could have at the house or more that I could even gift to friends. And then when my husband retired, he joined our business and it just kind of exploded from there. So now we're in a store because we couldn't keep it all at the house.
Being a retired military family, Sarah and Derek's drive to create is a matter of discipline and a need to be involved.
I started out with doing the layered shadow boxes, and it was something that was unique that people had never seen before.
I tried to live the retired life and do nothing. Got a little bored, so I said I needed something to do. Sarah suggested I get into the business also. And it's just, the more I've learned, the more I've wanted to do. And it's just continued to grow.
Regulars know to stop by often to browse their ever-changing overstock selection.
We buy pallets basically that are Amazon returns or overstock of Sam's and other stores, and we break the pallets down and we verify that all the pieces are there and all the parts work, and we put it on our shelves and then can pass that savings on to a customer.
Whether in the store or at their frequent appearances at local fairs and festivals, Sarah and Derek get to see how their work is appreciated.
We watch our customers, whether we're at a show or whether they're here at the store, and we watch them and we see the smiles that it brings to their faces, and it really kind of keeps us going, looking for different unique items. Probably my favorite thing to do is we've had customers come in and they kind of have an idea of what they like or a project they would like to do, and bringing something like that to life is very personally satisfying.
Come and see this diamond in the rough at 316 Sondren Street.
We've had people come in and look around the store and just call us, a gem of O'Fallon, and it's just a place where you can go to find different and unique items.